Start streaming on your Twitch from Streamlabs. First of all, launch the Streamlabs desktop app and add here your sources, and then click on login at the bottom left. Now we have to log in here with our Twitch account. Just click on authorize and you'll be logged in Streamlabs with your Twitch account. Once you successfully logged in, now just click on go live. And here you have to enable stream to Twitch option, and then you can add here your Twitch live title. You can change Twitch category, you can add Twitch tags, and then just click on confirm and go live. And it may take some moments to connect your Streamlabs with your Twitch. Once you successfully started live streaming, now go to your Twitch. Click on your profile photo and click on creator dashboard, and here select stream manager, and here you will be able to see your current live preview. So that's how you can actually start or stream on our Twitch from Streamlabs.